Okay, it's day number 5 for our batch of prison hooch, and I haven't had anybody to run the camera for me, which is probably a good thing today because I had dental surgery and look like crap. But as you can see, day number 4 here, I don't know, I haven't looked at it, but I'm thinking that the bubbles should be slowing down a lot, which they are. And this is the part where it'll start to turn to vinegar once it's eaten all the sugar up. And so what we're going to do is we're going to taste it. And remember, I put in a total of 4 cups of brown sugar, which would probably be, which would be probably a little over 2 cups, or around 2 cups of white sugar. Give it a taste here. I think it's probably going to need another day or two, but I'm going to taste it behind your back because I look like crap. Okay. Oh, so it is still cooking. Wow. It's probably only at about 9% right now. So it's going to need about 2 more days and could maybe even use a little sugar. Now let's do this. Let's see what happens. Because we don't want that vinegar coming on. If we put some sugar in this, what's going to happen? Let's have a look. If it's going to boil up or not on us. Oh. Okay. Yeah, it looks like this is at the end of its cook. So we need to be patient and wait another day. And I think this one will probably test out, if we can test it, at about 14%. But hey, man, I mean, 14% is not bad for prison hooch. Definitely, if you're trying to hide from the guards, you know what I mean? And you can suck down a quart of it and run back to your cell and jump in bed after you brush your teeth and gargled and all that. And lay there with a pretty good buzz, or catch the next movement and go out to the yard and possibly get in a fight. Anyway, we'll be back for day number 6 tomorrow. Thanks for watching.